Myself, Dr. Sarika Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, HVM PG College, Raisi. Today's topic is General Characters and Classification of Bryophytes. General characters of bryophytes. The word bryophyte is the collective term for mosses, hornworts, and liverworts. Bryology is the study of bryophytes. It includes the simplest and most primitive land plants. Plants lack true vascular system, hence called non-vascular plants. Terrestrial but need water to complete life cycle, hence called amphibians of the plant kingdom. Mostly they grow on shady and damp places. They have the gametophytic plant body. Dominant plant body is gametophytic. Thalloid plant body that is not differentiated into true root, stem and leaves or leafy shoots are present. Plants are green and possesses chloroplast. Roots are absent, replaced by unicellular or multicellular rhizoids. Vascular tissues completely absent. These are the structures of gametophytes. Gametophytes means leafy structure or thick conspicuous part. Moss gametophytes, thallose liverworts, and leafy liverworts. Generally, they reproduce oogamously by sexual reproduction. Male gametes is small and motile. Female gametes is large and non-motile. Male reproductive organs are antheridia, and female reproductive organs are known as archegonia. Both are multicellular and jacketed. Antheridia are differentiated into stalk and body. Archegonia are stalked and differentiated into venter and neck. These are the structures of archegonium, which is having cover cells on the upper side, 5 to 6 neck canal cells. In the venter region, it consists egg cells. And second one is the antheridium, which is having jacket layer. Inside the jacket layer, they have sperm mother cell, and antheridia also having stalk. Now the sporophyte or bryophyte represent diploid zygote. The first cell of sporophytic generation is known as zygote, totally dependent on gametophyte. In most differentiated into foot, seta and capsule. The sporophyte produce haploid spores. The spores fall on suitable substratum and germinate to produce gametophytic plant body. This is the structure of sporophyte of liverworts. These are the structure of moss, and third one is the hornworts. In case of young gametophyte, the haploid spores represent first cell of gametophyte. Spores fall on suitable medium and germinate to produce gametophytic plant body. Its life cycle having two phases: the haploid gametophytic generation, the gametophyte, the diploid sporophytic generation, which forms the sporophyte. This is the life cycle of bryophyte, known as alternation of generation. Most of the time, bryophyte having the gametophytic structure, and less time having the sporophytic structure. Now the classification of bryophytes. These are divided into three groups: Hepaticopsida, Anthoceropsida and Bryopsida. In case of Hepaticopsida, the liverworts found, and Anthoceropsida having the hornworts, and in case of Bryopsida, the mosses are included. These are the mosses, hornworts and leafy liverworts pictures. Hepaticopsida having the four classes: Calobriales, Jungamaniales, Marcantiales, Metageriales. Liverworts, so called because the thallus of many liverworts resembles the lobes of liver. Ending words means herb. Liverworts lack conducting element, cuticle and stomata. The gametophyte can be thallose or leafy. In case of Jungermanials, the thallus usually has some internal differentiated in the form of photosynthetic cell and air chambers and also having storage tissue. The sporophyte is compact without or short seta. The capsule of sporogonium has a single layered wall. The second group is Anthocerotopsida, in which hornworts are comes, so called because many hornworts have elongated horn-like structure which is sporophyte. The gametophyte may be as rosette or ribbon-like thallus. Many hornworts develop internal mucilaginous filled cavities invaded by photosynthetic cyanobacteria, especially species of nostoc. Such colonies of bacteria growing inside the thallus give the hornworts a distinctive blue-green color. The horn-shaped sporophyte grows from an archegonium embedded deep in the gametophyte. And Anthocerotopsida, which is having hornworts in mature sporophyte, a multicellular outer layer, a central rod-like columella running up the center, and a layer of tissue in between the produced spores and pseudoelaters are present. The pseudoelaters are multicellular. Unlike the elaters of liverworts, they have helical thickenings that change shape in response to drying out. They twist and thereby help to disperse the spores. Third one is Bryopsida, in which mosses are comes. It is the largest class of a moss containing 95% of all moss species. The gametophyte is differentiated into prostate Protonyma, an erect radial leafy shoot, persistent leaves spirally arranged on stem, rhizoids with multicellular oblique septa. Sporogonium is differentiated into fortseta and capsule. The most important characteristics of Bryopsida is the architecture of the ring of teeth peristome surround the mouth of sporophyte capsule. Bryopsida are the only mosses that have an anthrodontous peristome, that is a peristome in which the teeth are structured by articulated cell wall remnants. Bryopsida mosses Sphanidae, Andreidae, Bryidae.